Hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off Braille reverse pan up and down buttons option in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. First of all, where to look for Braille display options. So, we need to open settings. Then we need to go to accessibility, next TalkBack, next settings. Then in TalkBack settings we are looking for the Braille section, and here we have Braille display. Next, in the Braille display we need to open advanced settings, and here we have our reverse button option. So reverse pan up and down buttons, the option is on. To turn it off we simply need to uncheck this box. It's a simple on or off switch, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.